We have a HARSLE 10-foot by 1/4 inch thick shear. We imported this machine direct from China, from the manufacturer, HARSLE Equipment. We showed our color red. Everything else in our shop is red. They custom painted it for us. It's got a NC control on it. Basically type in what you want your backstop set at. It will automatically run to the back. You want to put in how many parts you want to run. You can enter that in there and it'll let you know if you want to do 50 parts. It'll holler at you when you reach 50 parts. Guarding, extremely standard. It's easy to use. There are little ball bearing rollers for the ease of loading a full sheet into the machine. Spring-loaded machine clamps are extremely efficient. They do not seize up. There's really nothing to go wrong. The knife edge is sourceable here in Canada if you need to sharpen or replace the edge. This machine, most items in China come standard with 380 volt 3-phase. They were able to build it 600 volt 3-phase for what we have for power here in Ontario. The machine, when importing into Canada, you will have to CSA certify it so it meets Canadian electrical standards. This machine, we were approximately $2,000 to $3,000 to certify. Took about 3 to 4 days to do. Nothing crazy. All in all, it's been a great machine. We have 0 complaints. You can custom order these, whatever thickness, length, backstop length you want. I would definitely recommend one.
HARSLE. Save time, money.